Hi, I'm Miss Jenny. This is my February Dollar Tree haul. I just wanted to show you some things that I got and let you know what I think I'm going to do with them. And maybe some of these I'll have to follow up later and let you know what I thought of the products. So, to start with, I'm going to be making a vision board. I have started an Adpocalypse support group on Thursday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I know it says Friday, but I was very tired when I did that. So it's actually on Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I had said in my first official live stream that I was going to put a vision board on that wall over there, because you can see my walls are very bare. And since you guys are in my house now, maybe I should do something about that. Excuse me one second. So I went to Dollar Tree and I got the materials to start that. So I got these two poster boards. They're 50 cents a piece, so it's two for $1. And this is what I'm going to start my vision board on. And you know, of course, poster board is great for signage. Sorry about that, it's falling. I used to use poster board all the time when I had my salon for specials and things like that. I used to use poster board in the back room to convey messages, inspirational messages, to my staff. And of course, kids use them for their school projects. So poster board has a lot of different uses, and I am going to motivate myself right there. I got these permanent markers because I wanted something thick and bold, and these are by Jot. So there's a black and red and a blue, and I'm going to use those on my vision board. And you know, I live here, but this is not my house, and that's one of the reasons why I was reluctant to put things on the wall, because I don't want to have to deal with holes when I no longer live here. So I was thinking about that, and so I'm going to try something. Not only that, but I have a plan for the vision board, so I know that I'm going to be putting it on and off the wall frequently, and so I wanted to have as little stress on the board, because I don't want it in June falling on the floor or whatever. So what I did was I got these little glue dots. I'm going to use these, and I got these little hooks. And I'm going to use the glue dot instead of the adhesive that's on this, because it doesn't tell me on here that these come off without damaging the wall. So I'm going to use these. These are by Tool Bench Hardware, and there's 12 of them in here, so I'll probably need either 2 or 4 depending on what I do over there. And I'm going to use these glue dots to hold these on the wall so I don't damage the wall, because this says that it can be removed. And I'm going to use these binders. I'm just going to clip them on the top of the board and use the top part of the clip to clip onto the hooks so that they can hang there while I'm not working on it, and I can take it up and down pretty easily. And then just some things to embellish with. I got these anchor border. Anchor means hope, and so I got that because I'm going to put my goals on there, specifically the 1,000 subscriber mark. So you'll be able to see that quite a bit. So that's going to be on my vision board, part of it anyway. And then I got these little hearts and some letter stickers. This came in a kit with some little sparkly things to write something inspirational with that. And I got this colored paper. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with it. I may or may not use it on the vision board, but I do have a plan for this, sort of. And then I got these wall stickers. I like butterflies and I love monarchs, so I got these. And these I'm just going to put on this side. So this is going to be something that's kind of peaceful and beautiful and signifies change and growth and those kind of things. And they come off, so they won't damage the wall, but they're pretty sticky, so they seem pretty good. So that's something you're going to see in my bed office bed backgrounds pretty soon. I got this is like a 1-inch. It's also by Jot. Jot does, I guess, a lot of the Dollar Tree office supplies and art supplies and things like that. So I got a 1-inch binder. This is replacing another binder that I have. I'm redoing some of my journals and record keeping and organizational things that I use. And so I have one that wore out. So this is a replacement for that. And I got two things of super glue. They have two of them that come in it together, and these are by, it says super glue. So I think these are the original the original super glue. I got two different kinds. I actually got these for Ray. We need them for something we need to repair for one of our customers. It's just an easy little repair, but I don't know which one he wanted to use. And apparently we're lately going through a lot of super glue, so I got these. And they were $1 each. They weren't on any kind of special or anything. And I've been looking for barrettes. Now, I've been looking at places like Walmart and the grocery store and things like that, and I haven't found them, but I did finally find barrettes, and I want the kind that clip like this. Now, these are a little bit smaller than what I was hoping for. I'm looking for a bigger one, so I'm going to have to keep looking, but I got these. And if you notice, most of the time my hair is pulled back from my head, and this is pretty much how I wear my hair every day. Today it's in a braid. A lot of times it's in a knot on top of my head. Sometimes I have a headband around here to keep the flyaways out of my face, but I need to start moving my hair around because I'm getting breakage, and it's really not good for your hair to have that kind of stress on it all the time. So I'm going to try some different things with barrettes, and that's why I got these. And these are by Basic Solutions. There's 4 of them, and they're kind of neutral, so they'll go with whatever I'm wearing. I got some things for organization. So there's these stack ups. I would say they're probably like side to side, maybe about 6, 7, 8 inches at the most across. I wonder if the dimensions are on here. It doesn't say the dimensions, but they're about that, and they're about from front to back or lengthwise, they're about 12 inches, and I got 4 of them, and these kind of stack on top of each other this way. And I'm going to use these in my bathroom under the cabinet. I have a little cabinet under there, so I don't know if both of these are going to fit, but I need to do something with that. It's becoming out of control, and I can't handle it. So I want that. That's what I got those for. And then I got this shelf organizer. It's kind of tiered, so you see how it goes like this. And this I'm going to put in my spice rack. This is by Essentials. And I would say it's probably a foot across this way. I don't know, or I could guesstimate the front to back, but I did check this on my spice cabinet, and it does fit in there pretty well with some room to spare. So that's what I'm going to use that for, and I'll probably get another one later. Hold on one second. Okay, so I got some snacks as well. Ray asked me for some snacks, so I had to get some for me too. So I got this little thing of mixed nuts. It says less than 80% peanuts, so it should be a fairly good ratio of other kinds of nuts like cashews and walnuts and almonds, and not a bunch of peanuts with like 1 or 2 little things in it. Some of the special nuts. I got that. That's for me. And I got these Jolly Ranchers hard candy. This is a hard candy, but it says bold fruit smoothie. Watermelon, strawberry, peach, mixed berry, and orange. And this is a 3.5 ounce bag. It doesn't tell me how many actual pieces are in here, but there is a weight on it, so it's a 3.5. And then for Ray, because he likes these, I got him these fried pork rinds. They are by Brims. I have no idea what these taste like, but I know he's gotten these before and he likes them, so he asked me to get him some junk food, and I got him this. There's no special flavoring on these. These are just plain pork rinds. I know back at this place we used to go to, some people would take these and they dip them in hot sauce. Whatever floats your boat. If it makes you happy, that's fine. I got these Friday baked potato skins, the cheddar and bacon. This is a 4 ounce package. I might share these with Ray, or I might not. I don't know yet. But I got these for me. And I got, these are the Real Wise Cheetos. The puffy ones, not the crinkly ones. Cheese doodles. Haven't seen those in a while, but he likes these puffed cheese snacks, and I tell you, I don't understand this, but this is the way he likes them. So he'll open the bag, maybe eat one or two, and let the bag sit for a couple days open, because he likes them stale. That's the way he likes them. So I don't like them by then. When they get chewy, I don't like that. But that's how he likes them. So, and then I got for me, I've had Stouffer's cookies before. These are smaller box. This one is like 6 ounces. This right here is my favorite cookie, Snickerdoodles. I've never had this brand before, but I've never had a brand of Snickerdoodles that I didn't like. So I'm pretty sure these are going to be good. This is my very absolute favorite cookie in the world. And I also got some cranberry juice for Ray. He likes this one. I think he likes the one with apple. It's cranberry apple. I don't know. I don't drink cranberry juice. I think the color is beautiful. It doesn't taste the way it looks to me. So I never drank this. And I hope that's the one that he likes, because that's the one he got. And just because I need this now, I'm out of this, or almost out of seasoning salt. I've tried a lot of different $1 seasoning salts, and not this particular brand, which is Supreme Tradition, but I'm pretty sure this is going to be okay, because I buy off-brand seasoned salt all the time. I've never had a problem. And I'm going to try Tea-Vine Peppermint Tea. Now, I've bought off-brand tea bags before and had bad luck with them. So I don't know how this one's going to come out, but it's a small package. It's a peppermint. It's not an actual black tea. So, you know, if it's good, it's good. If it's not, I just won't buy it again. But I'm going to try that. And I got, because I need one of these. This is by Betty Crocker. And I bought some other Betty Crocker kitchenware products as well, and so I needed something. They didn't have a baster, but they had this little brush, because I've been using a spoon if I need to cover things, and you know, you don't have as much control. So with this, I can dip it in and get it into the nooks and crannies, and it's silicone, so it should wash pretty well. It's got a little recipe on the back. Betty Crocker. I have to pay attention. This one is for peanut butter silk cake. This is non-porous. It says dishwasher safe and wash before use, of course. Anytime you buy something that you're going to eat out of or cook with, you want to wash it first. So that is my Betty Crocker basting brush. I think I'm going to like it. I got excuse me again, got these sheet grippers. I have this problem. It's always up in this corner right here, and I think it's because the bed is actually kind of high and I'm kind of short. But after a couple days, after I make the bed, the corner starts coming off. So I'm going to try this and see if this helps. I've tried other things and didn't really have good success, but these are Dollar Tree. They have these little clips on the bottom that you clip across from corner to corner on the sheet to keep it snugged up underneath the mattress. So I will let you know about this too. And I got, you know, it's been very cold, and we have uninvited guests in our house, and they're not helping pay the rent, and they're not paying for groceries. So I got a couple mouse traps. These are by Pick. I hope there's not that many of them in there, because I can just throw these away without having to reuse them, blah, blah. I've had to deal with rodents before on a number of occasions, and there is a trick to the mousetrap thing on multiple levels. Let me know in the comments below if you want to know how to set a mousetrap or how to get rid of mice and things like that. I hate them. I did get some stinky stuff, because I love stinky stuff. And this one right here, this is a fragrance sachet. There's 2 of them. And it says bamboo scented. Enjoy every moment, delight, and relax in the pleasures of continuous fine fragrance wherever you like. This scent is very strong. It filled up the car on the way home. It is filling my bedroom right now. I absolutely love the smell of this. I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. I actually smelled it in the store and had to find it. and I did, and I like it. So I don't know exactly where I'm going to put it, but it's going at least in my space. I don't know. My space as in my space, not my space as in a thing of the past. My space, Jenny's space. Yeah, I like this, and I like that there's 2 of them, and it's very strong, not overpowering. And then I got 2 more candles. So on my last haul, I had gotten the Air Fresh 2-in-1 candles. I got the Morning Dew, and I really like that one, so I got another one of those. And these I put in my bathroom. And then I got Tropical Fruit, so I'm going to try that one. So this one was pretty good. It wasn't a very strong fragrance, but it was enough. My bathroom's very small. One day I'll let you see it. Well, if you look at the review that I did on the calcium line rust remover, it was a Dollar Tree product, and I was removing cigarette burns on my sink. You actually kind of get a glimpse of my bathroom. So, but maybe I'll do a bathroom video or segments of the bathroom, because I don't know how I'm going to video in there. My bathroom is small. It used to be a closet, literally. So anyway, that's what I got. Let me know what you think. If you have a product that you might want me to do a review on, put it in the comments below. If you like my videos, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.